a popping. Uh-oh, he just popped the tire. He just popped his tire.
Yeah, come on.
He just popped his tire.
Pop the tire. Did he? The tire popped.
Right here, just popped. Oh, that sucks.
I got a pump there.
Almost sounded like it popped his bead.
I didn't know what that. I thought it was a carburetor.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
He was
I
popping.
heard it back there. Wow. What do you do?
It's only flat on the bottom.
AAA?
Yeah, really try to
What
get.
do you do with a tire like that,
I
Randy?
know.
I mean, that's...
I mean, you're looking at.
Don't go there.
Yeah.
Don't go there.
I gotta let the air out my tires to get them out.
$500.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes, a piece.
Yeah.
$500 each.
Yeah. Okay, we'll take out the collection for you. Well, I got AAA, so maybe, you know.
AAA, Glenn?
I got AAA.
I got it too.
Will they do,
Well, if we all get together,
will they do that?
They'll
Yeah,
put it on
yeah.
blocks and take
Yeah.
it out. But he didn't have another tire.
you'll tow it home, is what they'll do.
Oh yeah, tow it home. Put it on a flatbed.
Well,
Yeah.
some people just make an entry, you know. My neighbor. Chairs. Didn't know if he gets all the attention. Rightfully so.